So my first book, Chinese Unchopped, was all about the core techniques of Chinese cooking. And I believe that those core techniques can be split up into 6 or 7 techniques that allow you to cook hundreds of dishes. Poaching and braising, 2 of those core techniques. Now, there are differences between poaching something and braising something. And I think a lot of people who don't cook this type of food a lot probably don't realize the difference. Poaching essentially is just boiling something. Braising, there is a key difference. You need to sear or fry whatever you're cooking first before you then braise it. I'm going to talk about, say, a braised aubergine, like a braised Sichuan aubergine dish. Instead of sort of meat, which would be your classic go-to, I'm going to braise and slow braise this meat. Slow braising an aubergine, you can't just sort of have your boiling liquid of, let's say, oyster sauce and chili paste, or like doubanjiang, the chili bean sauce. You couldn't just have that boiling away and then just throw your aubergine in. You want to sear your aubergine first so it seals the outside of whatever you're cooking, in this case the aubergine, and seals the moisture into the aubergine to allow it to then release into the stew and braise over a longer period of time. And what that does, it means that when you sort of bite into that aubergine, or if you're doing a meat dish, at the end, when you're ready, when that dish is ready, it comes out much more succulent and not rubbery. Double cooking, piecing together 2 or more of our core techniques of cooking. So you could have, like I've talked about with roasting, you could have your blanching of meat first and then drying and then roasting, or sweet and sour pork, which you might think is just a deep fried dish. It's deep fried and then stir fried through. Double cooking is all about understanding texture and bringing out the best in that type of texture for the best crunch or more succulent meat. And if you piece together the right techniques, then you get a completely different finish from that pieced together cooking technique.